Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the exact head unit model and firmware version, so you download the correct package. This avoids bricking. Once done, format a USB or micro SD to FAT32 and copy the update file into the root directory, not inside folders, because the updater looks there first. Make sure the car battery is charged or connect a maintainer. Sudden power loss during flashing destroys bootloaders. Insert the media now and reboot the radio to trigger the installer automatically. You need to enter recovery or update mode, usually a button combo or long press power/home while inserting media, because the normal UI won't apply low-level updates. Next, choose Install from USB or SD and pick the update file. If a checksum is provided, verify it to ensure integrity. During extraction, writing, and verification, the system will reboot several times. Remain patient and do not remove the media. If multiple packages are required, install them in order, then wipe cache if instructed. Once the update completes and the unit boots, confirm the firmware number and test core functions like radio reception, Bluetooth pairing, Wi-Fi, and Android Auto to ensure driver updates applied. If you hit a boot loop or missing features, go back into recovery, attempt reinstallation, or perform a factory reset. These clear conflicting caches. Only reflash with the original or corrected firmware if problems persist. As a safety measure, keep a backup of the original firmware on spare media so you can restore the unit if necessary.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.